Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you the process on how you can remove member from Messenger group. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap and open Messenger application on your Android device. Here you can see all the conversation you had with. You go and open any of the group you want to. Now here you need to tap on the circular icon with opposite exclamation mark on top right side of the screen. You tap on it. There you'll be able to see group members under group info. You need to tap on it. To remove the member from the group, you need to tap on the member you want to remove. Then there you'll be able to see remove from group. You need to tap on it, and with that the member will be removed from the group. Just like this, you just need to tap on the people, then you need to tap on remove from group, and with that the people will be removed from your Messenger group. Hope this video is truthful for you all on how to remove member from the Messenger group. Thank you.